Okay, so I'm using a gluten-free Graham style crumbs mixture, and I'm simply going to follow the box instructions. So I simply have to empty the contents, which is the gluten-free crumbs, and then I add a 1/4 cup of sugar to it, and they did say add 6 tablespoons of melted butter, but I'm using 6 tablespoons of coconut oil. And you simply mix this very well to combine everything together, and then you put it in your pie dish and compress it really well. You would see that I'll be using initially I used a measuring cup, and then after I decided to use the base of a glass in order to press it down. And what I did, as you will see, is that I also had put parchment paper which at the base. So in my case, I don't have to bake my crust. After I combine it and press it in the pie dish, I simply have to refrigerate it for 1 hour.